Most families think a renovation starts when the tools arrive, demolition begins, or construction starts. But honestly, the best renovations begin long before that. They begin here, with a conversation, with ideas, with measurements, with details most people never see. In this video, you can see part of our rendering process where we help a family design the kitchen they dream of for their home. And even though from the outside it may look like just a computer and a design, to us it means much more. Here we measure inch by inch cabinets, doors, windows, walking spaces, heights, distances, because one small detail can completely change how a kitchen feels once it's finally built. And something we always try to explain to families is this: a render is not just about making something look beautiful, it's about helping families understand how their home is truly going to function, how the space will feel, how the light will enter, how the island will look, how the cabinets will open, how the family will move and live inside that kitchen every single day. And little by little, we begin adding everything the family wants: their colors, their selections, their cabinets, their tables, their height. Because we believe a kitchen should never feel like someone else's design. It should feel like a home that came from within a family. And honestly, sometimes it's the hardest families see once construction already started, and they don't see this condition That's why we believe so deeply in this part of the process, because it's not just about building, it's about building and helping families feel happy. And something I always tell people is this: in the end, they won't only remember the finish, they'll remember how they felt during the process, whether they had clarity, whether they felt stress, or whether they felt that someone truly walked alongside them. And that matters deeply to us. Now, let me ask you something. How would your family feel if you could fully visualize your kitchen before construction even begins?